Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So right now it's about 6:30 and I'm actually headed out on the river for kind of like a solo fishing mission. It's just me today. I ended up beaming it up to the trailer park last night and here I am. So I'm just getting her set up. Got the boat here, she's ready to go. And so I'm pretty much gonna be fishing the river. I'm gonna be just casting along the banks. Using spinners, but mainly top water. If it starts getting hot around like 9 o'clock in the morning, 10, I'll probably switch to some jerk baits or again those spinners or something. But we're gonna go top water. I'm gonna be changing between my top water presentations and hopefully we can catch some pike, because I do still want to bring it back, fillet it, cook it, and the whole deal. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get all this to the river and we're gonna start fishing. Let's do it. Oh. Oh. Shit. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, did not expect that. That's a pike. Yes. Woo! I'm eating him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he came up and hit that like close. Holy crap, that's aggressive. Oh my god. Did not expect that. Alright guys, so I just caught a Northern Pike. I've been trying to catch one of these for a while now. I mean, obviously I catch them all the time, but I haven't been catching them. I've been catching muskie. I'm actually going to keep this guy because, again, they're trying to take over the river, and I've been trying to do this for a long time, just clean out the pike. He's actually a really interesting color. I've never seen the back of a pike look like that before. So it's pretty interesting. It's not bad. But I am going to keep this guy and bring him home. So at the end of this video, I'll be filleting him and stuff. So yeah, the GoPro set up. But yeah, he's an interesting color, actually. Like, just the back of him. It's 100% a pike. It's not like a tiger musk or nothing. So yeah, I'm going to keep this guy and we're going to go from there. So as you guys seen, I just filmed that part there, and I was like literally gonna bring him over to the GoPro to get a picture, like just talk to you guys, and he fell at the side of the boat. So now I can't fillet him and I can't bring him back. So I'm hoping I catch another one, but I don't know. That sucks. I'm an idiot. What the fuck was that? I literally just cast it on something's head. No joke. Big, something big too. Oh yeah. First bass in the boat. Not losing another one, so I have to do that fast. Nice. Yeah, I ain't losing no more fish. Oh, look at all the dots on them. Not healthy at all, but another fish. Decent bass. Let him go. He's probably gonna splash me. No, yeah, he did. Sweet. Whoa! I was not expecting that. He hit the water. As soon as it hit the water, wow, what the hell? As soon as I hit the water, guys, he literally was on. Another smallie. It's a really small guy, but like he literally, as soon as it hit the water, he smashed it. So maybe top water's still working, I don't know. Anyways, release. Jesus. I do feel good about right now though. This overcast, the peacefulness out here. We might do all right, bud. I did not expect that. I didn't think that. Ooh. Oh, it just hit weird. Oh God. I thought it was it's not that big. Scared me. Small. Look at the dots on them already. First bass, not bad. Oh. I was freaking out over that. He hit his, like, yeah, see the dots on his fin? Like, look how many are on his fin alone. Yeah. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Too many freaking top weeds there. That sucks. There we go. God, looks so good. I can't pitch it no better than that, man. Okay, a little further, a little further, a little further. I just need to be able to get back in there. I might put a frog on, to be quite honest. See if we get any action on it. Oh, that's some good stuff. Okay, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Alright, shut her down. Missions a go. This is stealth op, let's do it. Ready? Watch the first cast. In the weeds. Are you ready to get a pike blow up in a half here?
Not exactly.
I won't hook him, but I'll get him on film maybe. Pike blow up gone wrong. Alright, here we go, ready? Watch the fun. You're live, here we go. Already comes off the leaf. I just remember I'll never. Oh, you see that? All right, swapping out. I see the opportunity to throw the whopper in here. That's what we need. Another good opportunity. Oh shit, that's a good one. That's a bass. Ah man, I need a net. Oh, it's a bass. Okay, maybe it's not that big. Okay, that scared the shit out of me. It's not that big, but oh, I got my heart going. Where is he? Just in case, I don't know how big he is. I can't see him. I can't see him.
Oh, there's a fish.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just keep it out. Just put it in the water. I'll just. That kind of scared the shit out of me.
It's a little guy.
I know it's small, but he hit the weeds and I'm like, oh. All right, guys. Well, I mean, it's actually how the largemouth are always healthy, though, eh? Look at that. That's with the same size I caught earlier today.
Yeah.
Second bass, a smallie and a largie. Look, it took out half the freaking swamp to get them. Yeah, so I just changed that Chopo 90 at a good time when there was a clearing in the weeds there, and they hit it. Nice. I honestly thought it was a pike at first, but oh well. Can't win them all. Watch, he's in a splash hard, I can tell. No, maybe not.
Oh no, we're skipping.
What are you doing? Can you imagine a pike came up and got him right now in my hand? I'd cry. He's gone. Try to grab him again. Okay, not bad. All right, everyone, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Just as a quick recap, I literally caught a lot of fish. In the morning when I was fishing there, I caught a handful of bass. Had that pike. I was gonna bring it back and I dropped it. Oops. It was still pretty funny. I mean, the pike was small anyways. I don't really care. I was just trying to show him to the GoPro to you guys, but he fell in, whatever. And yeah, so a lot of bass. And then me and my buddy Curtis went out later that evening. And again, I caught a couple bass there. The one took right out. The whole freaking swamp came out with him. So that was pretty cool. And yes, this is the next day when I'm filming right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe for more. I do have more coming out. I've already been making and editing some as they go here. So on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.